In this installation, which is a U-shaped room, it's been done in one of our lovely wood grain finishes in lieu of the white. So on the left-hand side of the wall, we have our 5-drawer bank with adjustable shelves. And next to it, we have our lovely polished chrome pull-out baskets. Our baskets are on a full extension, and above that we have our slanted shoe rack, which is great for your shoe storage. Adjacent to that, we have our corner unit, which is a radius unit, which is great for folded material, and also it's great for eliminating a dead corner. Followed again by adjustable shelves for shoes. Again, we have another hutch unit which goes to the floor, followed again by adjustable shoe storage, another corner unit. Next to that, we have acrylic dividers, which can be used for handbags, shoes, with a drawer unit underneath, followed again by another bank of drawers with adjustable shelves on top.